Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be learning how to play Taboo, where words are your best friends and your worst enemies all at once. The objective of the game is for your team to score the most points. Place the buzzer and timer within easy reach of all players. Fill the card holder with cards. Choose which color words to play this game, then use a different color next game to keep it fresh. Divide the players into two teams, alternating teams each round. One player is a clue giver and holds the tray of cards so no one on the team can see. Flip the timer. The clue giver turns over the first card and sets it on the easel. The clue giver now says words, not sound effects nor gestures, to get the team to guess the word at the top of the card. The other words on the card are taboo. The clue giver is not allowed to say any of the taboo words listed on the card. The clue giver is not allowed to say any form of any words on the card, such as abbreviations, past, present, or future tense, initials, spelling and letters, sounds like or rhymes with, and smaller words of a compound word. As the clue giver gives clues, their teammates guess as much as they want until the timer runs out. When they guess correctly, the clue giver draws a new card and places it in the easel. The clue giver may pass on a word and place it in the discard pile. If at any point of the guessing, the clue giver uses an illegal clue or taboo word, the opposing team who is monitoring the clue giver's cards sounds the buzzer. The clue giver discards the card into the discard pile. At the end of the timer, the clue giver's team receives 1 point for each card in the easel. An unfinished card in the easel counts for 0 points. The opposing team scores 1 point for each card in the discard pile. Mark these scores on a score pad. Gather up all the cards in the easel and the discard pile and set them aside. Switch teams and repeat until every player has been the clue giver once. If teams are uneven, then some players may need to give clues twice after every player has been the clue giver. Tally up the points and the team with the highest score wins. If you've mastered the classic game, mix it up by rolling the game changer die before the timer starts. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.